Yes, you can actually learn solar PV installation in 7 days. All you need is a well structured and a comprehensive training like this one here. Do you understand? So, all you need is to get access to this well structured and comprehensive training. You can achieve this in just 7 days. Sit down, learn it very well. By the time the seventh day is over, you are sure to be well knowledgeable in solar PV installation. You will know everything from solar panel type to battery type and to installation processes. Guaranteed.
Reach this point to lose, God does stamp am, I know they choose. He say, child, I give you land, I go stand, I go walk.